Hi. So now in this chapter we will see how you can use ChatGPT to summarize something. Okay? Look, you can treat the ChatGPT as a personal note taker. Okay, and it can condense a lot of information into the key points. Okay, and then you can present it if you want to present it somewhere. So to start, you must present the information to ChatGPT what we have seen in the last couple of videos, and you can input the text directly, or you can ask ChatGPT to summarize something for you. Okay, let me show you it by an example. Just suppose I want to summarize, let's say, Romeo and Juliet. I think this is the right spelling. Okay, it is showing me the wrong spelling. Juliet. Okay. Capitalism is there actually. So summarize Romeo and Juliet by who wrote it? William Shakespeare. William. William Shakespeare. Peare. I think this is the right spelling. Okay, it is the right spelling. So what I have given here, I want to summarize Romeo and Juliet book, article, story, whatever it is, by William Shakespeare. Okay, so that I don't need to spend much time for reading the book. I just want to summarize. So if I'll run this, you can see what response I am getting from ChatGPT. Okay, look, Romeo and Juliet are a tragic play written by William Shakespeare, set in the city of Verona, Italy, and the story revolves around two young lovers, Romeo and Juliet. The whole, look, it is a summary. It is a summary. Okay, it is a summary, a good summary of the book. Okay, and it is big. It is big, right? A basic summary. So just suppose if you want something specific with it, means if you want to refine it, if you want to experiment more in it for getting the right keyword, right output, then you can refine and experiment. Okay, so let me tell you some different ways, or so that you could ask the chat gpt in some different type of thing. Let's do summarize. Let me copy this first. This one, copy. Now paste it. Summarize Romeo and Juliet by William Shakespeare. Okay, now okay, let's say in a single paragraph. If you will give this, the chat GPT is giving me the output in a single paragraph. Okay, it ended now. Romeo and Juliet is a tragic play by William Shakespeare set in Verona, Italy. It tells the story of two young lovers, Romeo and Juliet, who belong to wedding families. Despite the enmity between their household, they fall passionately in love and man. This and blah blah blah. However, the serious unfortunate event, okay, play explores the love, fate, destruction, power. Everything is in the summary. Okay. And just suppose if you want to refine something more, so what you can do, again I'll write the same thing. Summarize Romeo and Juliet by William Shakespeare. Now from Juliet point of view. Now I am treating ChatGPT to think like Juliet. Okay, if I'll run this, From Juliet perspective, look, it given me the detail of Juliet. Everything is here is Juliet as per her perspective. Heartbroken, okay, lifeless beside her, unbearable grief, all those keywords are there. Understood? And just suppose, let me again refine it from let's say historical importance perspective. This what also we can give. If I'll run this, look, holds significant historical importance as a represents of pivotal work in English literature and theatre. Okay, means Romeo and Juliet as per different perspective. Understood? Means ChatGPT can give you everything, but you need to write the specific and the clear instruction to ChatGPT that what he need to summarize. Okay, so hope you guys understood this thing. If you have any doubt, drop a comment in the comment section. I'll try to respond you as soon as possible. Okay, so that's all for this section. I'll see you in the next section. Bye bye.